the Manduka blocks over any other yoga block because the quality is a lot better. You're gonna get a lot longer of a lifespan. This is my Manduka yoga block, and I love it because it helps me get into poses deeper. It allows me to get into stretches deeper as well, just for overall support and assistance in any kinds of stretches or exercises. If you are a little bit tighter or you know, stretching isn't your strong suit, being able to use these as props really helps you to actually relax your muscles, which is what you need to do to lengthen them out. So this block is made of foam, and you can also get cork blocks. But the foam block is sturdy enough that when you put your weight on it, it's gonna stay nice and strong. Getting two is normally the best. That way you can have equal assistance on both sides, and you can stack them on top of each other as well, which is really cool. So there's a lot of different ways that you can use these. Definitely recommend getting these to increase your flexibility and help you with your practice.